Imagine an internet that originates not from the ground, but from the vastness of space. Welcome to the era of satellite internet. Unlike traditional ground-based internet, which relies on fiber optics, satellite internet beams data directly from orbiting satellites, offering high-speed connectivity to the farthest corners of our planet. Initially, geostationary Earth orbit, or GEO satellites, were the backbone of space-based communication. Positioned about 35,786 kilometers above the equator, these satellites provide consistent coverage but suffer from higher latency of 400 to 600 milliseconds due to their distance from Earth. As data travels from user to satellite and then to ground station, and from there it will go to the internet, this results in slower data transmission, which is okay for web browsing but not good for real-time applications, videos, and online gaming. Introducing the game-changer, low Earth orbit, or LEO satellites. Operating much closer to Earth, these satellites dramatically reduce latency to 20 to 40 milliseconds, offering speeds that can compete with traditional broadband. This improvement is crucial for latency-sensitive tasks like video conferencing and online gaming. However, LEO satellites move rapidly relative to the Earth, necessitating a constellation for continuous coverage. SpaceX's Starlink, a major player, began deploying its LEO constellation in 2019. As of early 2024, over 5,289 satellites are in orbit, with plans for up to 42,000, revolutionizing global internet access. Users can expect speeds of 50 to 150 megabits per second, with Starlink Business offering up to 500 megabits per second. This technology is not just about speed, it's about connecting every corner of our world. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more insights into how technology is connecting our world.